So this is as far as I've gotten with it so far. I got the carburetor on it, uh, carburetor intake. I've bought a new exhaust manifold for it, and I had to replane the surface on it. I had to do that with the intake too, and I had to reshape the mounting surfaces, the mounting where the washers go, the spring washers. I had to reshape those too to the height of the intake and exhaust because they were so off even. You had to, they were so uneven. I wanted to get an equal plane on them. I had to put in some studs in them. The studs on each ends were pulled. I had to rethread those and put them in there. This carburetor is from another country. You can figure that one out. I removed the ECU ECM that was right here. No, well, it was ECM. I believe that's what it was. It was all melted and messed up anyway, so I cut all the wires off of it and everything. Some of them are not connected, but it has the nutter. Here's the wires that are twisted. It has the nutter ignition system on it now. Wiring. Figured the wiring out and the vacuum out. I just plugged everything off for now, as far as the vacuum goes. I'm gonna see if it runs. Yeah, this is gonna be a interesting little deal. I don't have the vacuum canister on here. I do have it. I've tidied up some of the wiring over here. I mean, everything is just zip tied everything together. I will be wire looming it, putting wire looms on it. This plug fell apart. It's just together now. I'll have to rebuild that or repaint it or something. The generator, this plug here, the wires fell apart. It has the green death anyway inside of this plug. Has to be cleaned up, so it's not connected. I don't know if the air conditioner works or not, but I wired the air conditioner back up to it. It does have pressure in it though. It did run before, so it should run again if I've got it all hooked up right. Blocking off some more vacuum on this thing and making it work. So we got some green stuff in there. So I've rewired all under the hood here, and the ignition and the vacuum I've reran, hooked everything up, cleaned all the wiring up and everything. I don't have it loomed, but this is what I've got back here and all everywhere. I have the wired, the ignition wired for the nutter wiring. So that's why this is twisted like that. So I got a bunch of grounds here that don't go to nothing. And the AC all hooked up here. I have everything that needs to be connected. And then over here, I have a few loose wires here and a couple plugs that aren't plugged in. But mainly what I have here, this is a new carburetor. It's just like the one that was on it when I started this little project. It's a replacement for the factory one. It doesn't have the electronic adjust that hooked to the ECM, so eliminated all that. So I'm going to fire it up here and let you hear it run, because that's all that's left. Well, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, ring that bell. Thanks for watching. Y'all come back now, yeah? Yep.